What's up, everyone? It's good to see you and you and you. Guess what I have today for you? One exercise that will make your core so strong. Hey, what's up, guys? So I decided to go outside because it was just pretty. I'm wearing my black today because that's what I like to wear. Because I feel important. I feel strong. I kind of feel like a Jedi Knight that wears black. However, the plank. What's so great about the plank? I want to tell you what's so great about it. Here's what I want to tell you. This one exercise, I'm outside right now. Like I said, it can be done anywhere. It can be done anywhere on the planet. I want to set you up to succeed. There's two things that you really want to know. Number one, you want to be strong. You want to be powerful. You want to feel that in the plank. And number two, you want to be in a straight line. I don't care where you do the plank. I don't care how you do the plank. I don't care if your hands are on top of something, if your hands are on the ground, on the top, in the middle, wherever it may be. I just want you to stay in a straight line. There's so many different variations. You just find the best one that works for you. I'm going to show you two. Okay? So come with me. Here's the deal. Your shoulders, you always want to keep them in line. We're going to start with the basic low plank, and then I'm going to show you a top plank later. But stick with me here. We're going to stay on the elbows. We're going to come up on the toes. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to always breathe. Make sure you're breathing wherever you're doing the plank. I don't care where you are again. Remember, you can do this one anywhere. This one's great for beginners as well as the most advanced. I still do this one all the time. I have my clients do this from beginners to advanced, intermediate, in between. All of them have to do the plank because the plank is the foundation of every exercise that you do. If you want to be stronger, if you want to be faster, if you want to burn fat, if you want to have a stable back, the plank is where to start. Check this out. We're going to start on the elbows. You're going to push on your toes. Take your toes back. This is the beginning of the plank. Check this out. I don't want to rock too far forward. I don't want to be too far back. I want to be right in line. It's kind of hard to talk in this position, so I'm going to go ahead and let you see this. The toes. My butt doesn't want to be hiked. Toes are down. I'm in this straight line. I'm squeezing my butt. Squeeze the tush. Squeeze. And breathe. Remember what I said about breathing? You gotta breathe. Do you see my vein yet? See it? See it? No? Okay, cool. That's where we want to hold. That's your low plank. The low plank is the foundation. It's a really good foundational exercise that can be done anywhere, like I said, on the elbows. Now, second exercise. Here's what we got. You're gonna come up on the hands. This is the progression from the low plank to the high plank. But don't get overwhelmed with it. It's just a push-up position. It's the start of a push-up. You can hold this for as long as you like. Just like the low plank, the high plank. Start with the low, work your way to the high. Check it out. So now I'm gonna come up to this high plank. Watch this. Up, up. Look at my position. Same position. Now, I just wanna make sure that this and this, that they are in a straight line. This is my pillar from the shoulder to the elbow to the wrist. Everything's in a straight line. I'm looking down. I'm looking at you just because of video purposes, but I'll be looking down on this. Check it out. So one leg, other leg, squeeze the tush, strong position. Look at that pillar of success. Everything's in a straight line. I could stay here quite a bit. I know you could too. But the plank, like I said earlier, is such a foundational exercise, and it can be done anywhere. All right, so we're back inside. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I just wanted to show you a couple of variations that you can add to your planking. These are very simple to do. You can do them anywhere in the world. Anywhere, like I said. Really, you can. But don't forget, there'll be more videos to come, so subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell so that way you're notified next time when there is a new video. But don't forget, check us out on Instagram, on Facebook, at Bustos Training. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Hey, my name's Andrew Bustos. Welcome to another video.
It's so glad. All right, so we're back inside. All right, so there's so many variations that you can do. There are